Looking for the biggest Surfshark coupon code? Many people ask, what is Surfshark VPN coupon code, or how can I use Surfshark coupon code? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to get the best Surfshark deal right now, apply it in the app, and claim your discount easily. So first, what is Surfshark VPN coupon code? It's a promo code that lets you unlock Surfshark at the best price. Instead of paying full Surfshark cost, you can save big, often up to 89% off plus extra months free. That's why people call it the best VPN coupon code for 2025. Now, how to get Surfshark coupon code. The easiest way is through the official Surfshark deal link, which is in top of description, or simply scan the QR code you see on screen. Both take you to the latest Surfshark coupon code, and it's automatically applied. No searching random coupon sites, just one click or scan, and you're ready. Next, how to apply coupon code in Surfshark app or website checkout. Super simple. Pick your plan. Usually the 2-year plan is the best Surfshark deal. The discount shows up instantly. That's how you claim Surfshark coupon code and get the cheapest VPN deal. With this promo, you get more than just cheap VPN pricing. Surfshark offers unlimited devices, strong security, Surfshark antivirus, 24/7 support, and it's rated one of the best VPNs in reviews. Whether you're looking for Surfshark free trial, Surfshark VPN discount coupon, or Surfshark promotion codes, this one link or QR code gives you the top savings. So if you've been asking how to use Surfshark coupon code, or how to get Surfshark coupon code 2025, now you know. Hit the official link in the top of description, or just scan the QR code on screen, grab your Surfshark discount, and enjoy one of the top VPN deals today.